Hey guys, Tim here for Classic Daily. Got a little tip for you. If you're doing some welding and you've got a, you got a big hole that you need to weld up and you don't want to be chasing welds trying to bridge that, I got a little tip. It'll speed you up. So a copper backing welding spoon, I like to call it. So come on in, let's check it out. Okay, so you could weld this up, but you'll end up with a big gob, right? You'll be chasing, trying to weld on top of your weld. One of the ways you could tame that is take your backing spoon, stick it on there. Weld really doesn't stick to copper. You really got to work to get that. So what we're doing is we're going to set that there and we'll just weld, and this will give us a nice flat plate. And when we're all done, you'll see how that, that keeps that nice and tame for us. So I got my copper backing on here and we're just going to weld up. Alright, so we're all welded up here. I know I said I wouldn't weld to it, but simple bang. Now let's check that out. Still gonna be hot. We're gonna take our little friend vice grip here and we'll flip it over and see. That's not too bad. That's nothing that a grinding wheel can't take care of, and that'll get you down the road. Clean it up, on your way.